this is the first video of the Disney Fantasy, and it is the Concierge Lounge on the Disney Fantasy, and it's been reimagined, so let's go and see. It's been reimagined to look like Hercules, so let's have a look. Oh, look at these. The artwork is stunning. So it's got like all goldy tones now. Olympus Stage 2, rough design. Got another one here, Hercules Villa concept. Got a few things in here, look at this. Zoom out a little bit so you can see like the kind of like an alcove. This is beautiful. This. I love the like lush pink on the floor as well. It's like all pink kind of tones. Morning. And these beautiful boobs here. So you've got like these gorgeous blush pink chairs, tables, sofa, gorgeous kind of little windows here. They're lovely. And look at the gold here. And then on this side is the bar. Look at the bar. It is beautiful, and then that's the dome that you see when you go outside up there. It's just gorgeous. We've got artwork there of Hercules. Yeah. It's just gorgeous, all the chairs, the marble. It's just beautiful. So this is one door here where you go out if you're concierge on this floor. And then there is another door just here you can go out of. And here now, this is my favourite. We've got the coffee machine here. So there's one here and one around the other side. Then you've got all your tea selections, honeys and things. Then there's a full fridge here as well. Got waters, Minute Maid Cokes. And this is where you go upstairs. I'm not sure if it's open at the minute outside, but I will certainly try and see for you if it is. If not, I might have to do that another day. And you've got really cute little seats here as well. Look at this. These are gorgeous. And we'll see what's around here. Good morning. Oh, this little wash area. And we've got the little TV set up here for children. This is so cute. It's a gorgeous little TV area. Look at this. And it's like themed like Mount Olympus as well again. And we've got, let's see what's around here. Oh, this is so cute around here. Look at this. We've got another artwork. More theming. So gorgeous. And let's see what's down here. So we've got cereal, fruit, I've got parfait. It's his breakfast at the moment. This sliced smoked salmon rosettes. Oh, the charcuterie boards, they had something like that last night. Fresh fruit plates, donut pots, Nutella Danish, plain croissant, multigrain croissant, cinnamon bun, chocolate chip muffin and chocolate Danish. So it's kind of enough just to keep you going if you just want a light breakfast. Then they do have another drink fridge at this end as well. Like I said, the theming in here is just gorgeous. Like I love the carpet and the chairs and the gold. It's just so nice. And then here they kind of have like another little bit here, all golden here and all gold up here. So nice. So you can see here it's kind of like the clouds. So you've got the clouds there for Mount Olympus. These gorgeous plush chairs and these like little two-seat configurations. And this here is like the bar area. There's gorgeous chairs here for the bar, all set out. So you can see morning specials. And mimosas, Bloody Mary and screwdrivers, they're $5.50 each. It is just gorgeous in here, absolutely gorgeous. So this is how you go outside to get upstairs. Let's see what it's like up here. I'm coming up, up, up. I'm coming up, up, up. I'm coming up, up, up.
Opened the fridge door and it nearly broke because the wind blew it.
Okay, so, oh I see. So this is where these kind of day beds are here. This is where there used to be a line on the floor. Oh, you can kind of see where that is there. That used to be along the floor here, but they've extended it. Wow, it's massive now. Gosh, it's huge. This is amazing. Oh, that hot tub, I'm going to be in there after. So let's see, is it a big double hot tub? Oh, it's a decent sized hot tub. See that? Yeah, she will be able to fit. It's a decent sized hot tub. That's where you're looking down into the concierge. So you've got all the day beds here. This is what the size of it used to be. No, we might do. And then where's that little fridge you've just found? Okay. Oh wow, I can see it now, yeah. So Ant's just found a fridge over here. So that's good to know. So up here is a fridge. So you can't see because of the rain on it. I've got hold of it. So you've got all mini cans and waters in here, which is good because you don't have to go downstairs to get a drink. Then there's all lounges and everything on the back wall here. So they're not undercover, but the canopy here, all these ones are undercover. The hot tub's not undercover actually, but I suppose you don't really mind. Oh, these are nice. Look at the colour of these. That's a gorgeous colour. I've not seen that. No, I think they're new. Not that we've been in here, sorry, but we've obviously seen videos and pictures of it. So all this is new now. So you can't now walk around the ship anymore in a loop at this end on deck 12 because they've blocked it off because of this now. So all of this here is all new. I like the little tables you get as well with them. So imagine when we're heading off, like they're trying off across the Atlantic into the sun. This will be full of guests. And also the fireworks, yeah, so pirate night fireworks. The tip was to stand here if you're not bothered about the show, and you can see the fireworks because the funnel's just here, so we can see right out. Those chairs are gorgeous. Look at the rattan on those chairs. And it's all around. Oh, there's a bar here as well. So you can obviously get drinks and stuff served here at the bar. That'll be lovely. Yeah, it's very windy. I'm going to turn you around for a second just to show you. This is how windy it is. Wow! I'm being blown away. I'll turn you back. So it goes right round here, like a nice little colour. Oh, these are kind of like a reddish, we're going from like a blue colour, it's like a reddy orange colour. Really nice, yeah. And then another orange colour, and then here's the door. So this is the door that leads out obviously onto Sapphire Falls there. Satellite Falls is just there, and the other area here. So obviously you're more than welcome to go out of there, but obviously you can come back into the door here into the concierge lounge. This is the little shower here where you can shower off. It's huge shower, and a other little shower there. So it's the rainfall shower and the extra shower. We're going to head back down now, I think. The concierge lounge is filling up, by the way. Yeah, there was quite a few people in there. I'm doing the same as us. I was like, get over here quick. Very windy though. See all the sun creams and everything here. Another lady doing a little vlog there as well. All over here. A little kind of nice round area here, and then again other bits down there.